Now we will discuss about the sign convention for your both concave and convex lenses. Already we discussed the sign conventions for your spherical mirrors, and the sign rules for your sign conventions are same in case of your lens also. But remember one thing, in case of your mirrors, all the distances considered or measured are taken from your pole. But in case of your lens, instead of your pole, you have to measure from the optical center. For example, suppose we are considering any one situation. A, B is the object, and by applying rules for your image formation, the position of the image is here. That means suppose PQ is the position of the image. We are applying two rules. Rule number 1, the incident ray is parallel to principal axis and that will refract through the point F, means focus. And second rule, if the incident ray is passing through the optical center, then it will be undeviated. Now these two refracted rays are intersecting at the point P. That means at the point P, the image will be formed. Now, what are your sign conventions? First point is your all the distances should be measured from optical center, means O. For example, if we mark the object distance means AB is the position of the object, so object distance will be your OB, which is denoted by your symbol U, and image distance, that will be OQ, which is denoted by your symbol B. Already we have discussed in case of your mirrors. So symbols are same. U is denoted for your object distance and B is denoted for your image distance and F is here for your focal length. So second point, if the distance measured is in the same direction of incident ray, then it will be taken as your positive, same direction of incident ray. Third, if it is in the opposite direction of the incident ray, then it will be taken as your negative. That means in this diagram, the object distance U will be your positive or negative. AB is the object and the direction of the incident ray is from left to right. Clear? But when we are saying about the object distance means OB, not BO. Why? Because at the first point already we told all the distances should be measured from O. That means starting point will be a O. That's why object distance is your OB. When you are saying about your OB, then the direction is your opposite to that of your incident ray, because the direction of incident ray is left to right and the direction of your object distance, which is your OB, that is your from right to left. That means both are your opposite direction. So in this diagram, you will be marked as your negative, which is your second and third. If we are saying about the image distance means OQ, which is equal to your V. Now, the direction of the incident ray is from left to right. And when you are saying about your image distance, OQ means same as that of your incident ray. That means left to right. So both have your same directions. That's why OQ will be a positive according to your second point. Clear? Now, fourth and fifth point tells about the height of the image. If the height measured above the principal axis, then it will be a positive, and if height measured below the principal axis, then it will be negative. What does it mean? In this diagram, the image is formed below the principal axis. Clear? So, if you measure the height or while discussing the height of the image, at that time height is equal to minus, for example, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, etc. If the image will be formed above the principal axis, at that time the height is equal to plus 3, 2, etc. centimeter. So, fourth and fifth point tell about the only height measured above the principal axis and height measured below the principal axis. This is all about your sign conventions for both spherical lenses.